code for instance. We'll be creating one NFS server. We'll be creating one Bastion, one NFS server, one NJ proxy load balancer, 3 masters and 3 workers. Let's write code for that. Set Bastion server. This is the local name which we are giving. AMI would be. How do we get AMI? We get AMI using in AWS console. We get AMI here. Let me show you. Not here, sorry. AMI catalog. Yeah. So we want Ubuntu. This is the AMI. I already have an AMI. This is the AMI. We can get AMI using this. If you want AMI for we'll be putting this into variable later. I already have AMI. Instance type T2 medium. Key name. I've already copy pasted one key. This is the key name which we want to give. This will be attached to the instance. So this is the key. Let's use subnet ID. In which subnet we want to create the instance. AWS public subnet. Bastion will be public subnet. Let's attach IAM role. Dot name. It is not with ID. It is through name. Dot name. We have attached it. Let's attach security groups. Let's security groups. It's a list, right? So let's attach list. AWS etcd.ssh ssh.id AWS security group Kubernetes .id AWS security group NAT gateway dot id AWS security group open within id AWS security group NAT gateway. We have already added it, so let's add node port dot id. Let's add tags also. Name would be Bastion. That's all. You have to add user data also. User data will be adding here after tag after security groups. User data file. We'll be creating file uh, shell script to attach it to this, so that through Bastion, how it will happen is after Bastion is created, it will push the SSH key to S3 bucket, and S3 bucket, the remaining nodes will pull the SSH key from S3 bucket. So for pushing SSH key to S3 bucket, we need permission we have attached, and we need IAM role. So that's the IAM role, and that script will be attaching it user data with user data. We'll be attaching it. Yeah, that's Bastion. Now let's create another instance. That's NFS. Another instance is NFS server. Same configuration. It also should be in public subnet. That's the name you want to give to NFS. Here also we will again add user data here, but not now. Security groups. Let's add NFS security group. We have to add, right? We can add AWS security group NAT gateway. Yeah, NAT gateway is already there, right? We can add web traffic. The reason I am attaching only 5 is my account doesn't support more than five security groups to be attached to VPC. That's how it is. And when I try to create instance, it will fail. Now let's create load balancer. Same configuration. Let's remove web traffic. Let's remove NFS and add HA proxy. HA proxy. We'll add delays for creation of these instances. We want Bastion node to be created at first, and then some delay, and after that NFS server, and then after that load balancer server. We'll be adding delays for it, delays for creation. Let's add tag. Load balancer. That's the name of the server. Now let's create master nodes. Master server, and then we have to remove HA proxy. We can keep HA proxy. We have to add a Kubernetes, right? Kubernetes. Can remove this master server, and remaining. Let's give naming as, we'll be creating 3 masters, right? So let's name like that. Count index +1. So name my master as master 1, master 2 as master 2, master 3 as master 3. That's what I'm telling the script. Now worker nodes, let's create worker nodes. Let the security group be same for master and worker. That's all. This everything we can put it in variable. We'll put it. Oh, we forgot to add count. Count. We have to add count, right? Count. Three. Also, we forgot to add count. That's all. We created all the instances, required instances. We will be attaching the script as per the node. We'll be attaching it to Bastion first, wherein we'll be pushing the S3, pulling the SSH key to S3 bucket, and then we'll be creating the inventory using the script. Like, we don't need to create inventory manually. The inventory will be created automatically through through the script which I am attaching to Bastion host. We'll be passing the script. So that's all.